This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable screen lock in Ubuntu. I will be using Ubuntu 24.04 for this. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on Ubuntu now. To enable or disable screen lock, it's very easy to do. The first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the lower left-hand corner of my screen, down to the Show Apps button. I'm going to click on Show Apps. Then I'm going to look for the Settings icon. Within these icons here, if you don't see Settings, you can always go up to the top and you can type Settings in up here to find it. Mine happens to be right here. I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the little dialog box that opens up here, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to scroll all the way down toward the bottom where you see it says Privacy and Security, and click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, right here, Screen Lock. You want to click on Screen Lock. It gives you a whole lot of options here. The very top thing, blank screen delay, period of inactivity until your screen goes blank. You could click this drop down. By default it's probably set on 5 minutes. You could choose between 1 minute up to 15 minutes, or you could choose never if you wanted to turn off your screen blank. You would click on never. Next thing down is automatic screen lock. Locks the screen after it goes blank. Whatever time you have set up here, it will lock your screen. To disable that, you would toggle this off right here. And then down there below there, lock screen notifications. That allows apps to send you notifications even if your screen is locked. You could toggle it on or off right here. And down below that, lock screen on Suspend. You could toggle that on or off down here. That is how to enable or disable screen lock on Ubuntu. Thanks for watching.